Now this is what you call the ultimate in diamond grills, man. No cap, no filter, just natural lighting. This is the chandelier set. One of our special clients. This is where you fit the whole tooth full of diamonds, even on the sides. Sometimes a lot of the jewelers, they use a little small trick with a little gold on the sides. That's to save it for whatever budget you're trying to spend. Because sometimes people are a little cheaper. This, we can understand. They're trying to get that same look, but for a little bit cheaper. But this is when, if the budget doesn't matter, and you're just like, man, just fill it out, man. Fill out the whole tooth as much as you can on my tooth. Everybody does not have the same size tooth. Some people's teeth are bigger, some people are smaller. But this is the style where we fit the most diamonds that we can possibly fit on the tooth. Appreciate you guys for tapping in, man. Be easy. One love. SeattleGoldGrills.com. If you want this one, just go to the website and type chandelier set. Chandelier. 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 And you will see this one pop up. Thank you guys for tapping in. Peace out.